This is the Deuce? It's a parking lot. We went from one parking lot to another parking lot.
Kyle, Labor and I just decorated the Nummobile, like just married to Jesus.
That's hella tight.
What you did was very baller, very anarchist.
Yeah, fuck 'em.
Don't worry, I won't snitch on you.
Hope not. Then I kill your fucking family.
What?
Sorry, it was an exaggeration.
It's okay. My dad has cancer. I guess God's doing that for us.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You work at the new Helvetia, right?
Right?
Cool. If I get your number, me and my friends are setting up some gigs down there.
Definitely. It's my parents' number.
You don't have a cell phone?
No.
Good girl. The government didn't have to put tracking devices on us. We bought them, put them on ourselves.
I don't own a tracking device.
No, cell phones. See?
Wow.
Yeah, I know. I mean, you'll have one eventually. Everyone has one. And it's only a matter of time
Before what?
before they put them in our brains.